Today on Keeping Up with Kaylee, we are cleaning and decorating for Christmas time, so unfortunately that means that these adorable turkeys and any other Thanksgiving decorations I have up have got to come down. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My channel is a lifestyle channel. It has hauls, vlogs, cleaning and decorating motivation, and so much more, so please be sure to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. So I'm going to diffuse this Young Living Christmas Spirit oil. It is cinnamon bark, orange, and spruce. It smells so good, so I put 3 to 4 drops, but I think I accidentally put a few in, but who's counting, right? And I diffuse it, I put on my red light. It smells so good while I'm cleaning, and it's just a little healthier than burning a candle, which I will be doing later, so don't you worry for all my candle fanatics out there. I'm just over here making sure that I take everything away. Look at that puppy diffuse, oh my gosh. I'm kind of sad to see fall leave, but I'm also so excited for Christmas time. And taking down these cute turkeys just means I get to replace it with adorable Christmas decor, so I'm not too sad. After Christmas is a whole different story. I'm like legitimately depressed, so bye to fall. And now I'm using my Dyson vacuum. This vacuum is so good. It gets under everything. It can go on hardwood floors. It sucks everything up. Make sure to clean under your bed because you will not believe how much hairballs you will find. It's so gross. So I store most of my decorations underneath here, and I was shocked. Alright, let's go take the decorations out, start vacuuming, get my life together. Nothing is quite aesthetically pleasing right now, but I just want to show you guys, if you live in a studio apartment, I like to keep my Christmas decorations underneath here, and really like all the other space that I have, ignore all this mess, is up here in these shelves. Not shelves, but these little cabinets, and they don't go that far back. I mean, I'd say about like 2 feet. So that's all I got for everything that I can decorate with, any other extra storage I need. So if you live in a small space like myself, you can really make it cozy and festive as much as possible. You just have to learn to organize properly and pick and choose things that you absolutely love. And you really don't need that much. You can really create a lovely ambiance just by picking a few things here and there and just the way you space it out. So I'm gonna go take the shower and yeah, really quickly, I just want to show you what Ryan got me last year. I just want to drink hot cocoa, bake stuff, and watch Hallmark movies. I asked on my community board what you thought my signature Christmas decorating candle should be, and you guys voted for peppermint marshmallow, which I'm not mad about at all because I love peppermint marshmallow. It's fluffy marshmallow, crystallized sugar, and crushed peppermint. It smells so good. The only thing is it wasn't as strong this year. This was last year's, but I love crushed candy cane as well, so I think I might go back and forth between these two. Look how cute my snowman is. So we're going to start cleaning now. I use my Method Wood for Good Daily Clean, and it smells like almonds. It's so good. I have my comfy PJs on. Does anyone else have Christmas PJs they have to wear every single year? I even have a matching scrunchie. I'm excessive. Anyways, so I love to use this Wood for Good on my wood furniture. This is actually unfinished wood furniture, so I was a little nervous when I first used it. I had to test it out to see if it would change the coloring, and it doesn't. It works so well. It gets up so much gunk that just you don't even think you have, because I live in a small space, and if you do as well, you can totally relate. Look at that, it's crazy. But dust, it just comes and goes and it piles up, and you really got to be on top of it. So I love this stuff. Stormy girl over here is like such a big help. She's just looking at me like, girl, when is this Christmas decor gonna be up? I'm ready to watch a movie. I'm ready for the snugs. So while I waited for Ryan to get home, I made these pudding chocolate chip cookies. I know, so weird, right? It has vanilla jello in it. And, well, not jello, it's pudding. But I got the recipe off of the Baker Mama, and I love all of her recipes. Everything I've made from her is really, really good. I would definitely try this out, but I do think Jesse James Decker's recipe is a little bit better. Okay, I cleaned everything up. I pretty much did all my surface cleaning, except for a few things. I might have to surface clean while I continue to decorate. But my man is home. I'm ready to make my Christmas decorating soup. I'm hungry. Also, I love my Christmas pajamas. Does anyone else have Christmas PJs that they have to put on every single year? Oh, I have my reindeer slippers too. Let's go put those on. My aunt gave me these reindeer slippers when I went home last, and I love them. I love the sound of food sizzling. So Ryan just got home, and I'm just making the base of our Christmas decorating soup. If you haven't seen that recipe fully, I will link it up above. I'm not going to show you everything that I do. I want you to go check out that video that I did last year. But yeah, that is what we're doing right now. Ryan's just unwinding, and then we're going to start decorating. While the soup comes together, I'm going to start decorating above my bed. I don't know about you, but I love decorating above my bed. I think it makes it very cozy and festive. I'm just here for it. So I like to put this lit garland above my bed. Again, this is super cheap to find. You can find it at your CVS or, whatever local store, grocery store. And it's easy to fold and store in a small space, which I really like because some of the bigger garland is really hard to store. So this works perfectly for my small studio apartment. And then I used this snowflake garland that I got from Home Goods a few years ago. And I did this last year and I thought it looked really good. And I tied it to my other garland. And it just added a little extra pizzazz, a little snowflake action to the bed. Ryan's going to be like, that's going to fall on my head in the middle of the night, but I think it's cute. My soup is coming together very nicely. All I have to do next is add the pasta, but I used some fresh herbs this time, fresh thyme. Fresh herbs this time. I use fresh thyme, and oh my gosh, it smells so fragrant in here. Basically, this is the Olive Garden copycat recipe. So yeah, so a little tip, if you're not going to eat all the pasta right away, make the pasta separately and then do your own serving so that you can have leftovers throughout the week. So there's my pasta that I added on top, just mixing it in. You can add some fresh parsley or you could add some Parmesan, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Time to take out all of my Christmas decorations out of my containers. I got these from the Container Store and they work perfectly underneath my bed. I love my C7 bulbs. These are my bulb of choice, but unfortunately when I lit them, it lit for this one video and the whole freaking strand went out, and it's not on my budget to buy some new ones. I really like how I had my turkeys up here before, so I'm going to see, I don't know how this is going to look, but I'm going to take this little owl guy and then these snowflakes that I got this year from a Christmas market when I was home. Put it up there and see how it turns out. He's so cute. Okay, come here, little guy. Let's see where we should put you. Let's put you maybe on a candlestick. Ooh. Let's see. See, stay? Stay. Please stay. Ooh, did it. Now for the snowflake, I have 2 big and 1 small. So I think I'm gonna put the small one here against that candlestick and the 2 big here. Let's see how that turns out. It's so fun playing around with things and creating ideas because look what just happened. So cute. It's time to decorate. It's time. Hey, do you love me? Hey. I got 2 trees in my house, in my studio apartment. That's right, if you have a studio apartment, you can have 2 trees. This tree, I actually had, this is the first tree I ever had, and it was just my tree that would sit on my table right here. Yeah, girl cut the cord by accident last year. So we got the other tree that we put in the corner over here. But I still don't want to throw this out because it's a good tree. I'm just gonna wrap some lights around it. So I'm gonna prop it up here, pull out the table a little bit. Does anyone else like to decorate when it gets nighttime, like when the sun's setting? I don't know, I just can't imagine decorating my place when the light's out. It's just not festive enough for me. My red hair is washing out. Apparently when you dye your hair red, it's easy to wash out. So like you can see the blonde coming through, which I'm not mad about. I actually kind of like this color. Do we like it? Should I dye it again and make it more red? Should I keep it like this strawberry blonde? You let me know in the comment section while I take these floral prints down because I don't want anything floral in my house when it's December. Bye spring. Hello winter. I used to hang him up above the doorway. Ryan used to get so mad because they used to hit him in the head when he'd walk through the entryway of each like hallway and kitchen. So maybe this works? Oh my gosh, you should see the amount of holes I put in my wall trying to hang up those damn floral prints. We got this artificial tree last year from Michael's, and I do like it because it is super easy to put together because of the numbers. It's narrow, perfect for a small space, but I prefer a real tree compared to an artificial one.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
I'm gone. Vic?
What's wrong?
Come here.
Come here. What's wrong?
I'm told by Vic Romeyer that I should decorate my house for Christmas. You understand? We can forget about Christmas. Damn well choose. And no one, not even.
I just love retro or vintage Christmas decorations, whatever you want to call it. It just makes me so happy and nostalgic. I grew up on this kind of stuff, so I really enjoy it. The shiny brights, the thick bulbs, the tinsel, the bubble lights I'm doing this year, which is really exciting to me. I'm not going to be decorating my tree in this video. That will be for the next video, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what our main tree is going to have on top of it. And then we're going to put my stockings on top of the chair here. My grandma actually does this at her house. She just kind of puts the stockings there because she doesn't really hang them on the fireplace. But I don't know, I kind of like it, but I definitely want to get some stocking hooks eventually and hang it up maybe on the shelf near my bed because the fireplace is a little too small to hang up on there. And then over here on my table, I'm going to kind of like create a winter wonderland snowman theme, and I just love these snowmen. Aren't they the cutest things ever? They're by Honey and Me. I love that company. And then last year I got this from a friend. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. It's so cute, so I thought I would prop it up on my mirror right there. And then my cousin made this scrumptious Christmas candle. It smells like a Christmas tree. It's amazing, one of the best, and I have not gotten a Christmas tree skirt yet for this. I'm still working on that, so hopefully that'll be done for the next video. Now I'm going to hang up with this super easy like little hook that you can get for CVS, my mistletoe. Isn't it so cute? I told Ryan he has to kiss me every time. And then I'm using my Miss Myers peppermint scent. I love this stuff. It's addicting. So let's go clean. I am spraying down my coffee table tray. I love this little tray. I got it from Hearth and Hand by, what is their name? Oh yeah, Chip and Joanne. Duh, hello. And I'm just wiping it down, and you would not believe how much gunk, again, the dust. So I'm just decorating it. I don't know if I love the way this turned out, but I'm just playing around with it. It can change throughout the weeks, but this is what I'm doing. Oh, and if you've tried the other Miss Myers scents, let me know. So now in my kitchen, I'm going to hang these cute little stockings. These were going to be our main stockings actually, but then I saw the mini versions and I thought, hey, I could also use those for either putting our silverware in for dinner time or hanging them on these little cabinets right here to make it a little more festive. So I found this 8 feet garland at Trader Joe's, which is a bargain. For any of you know, when you're looking for garland, even if it's fake, it's so expensive. So this was $6.99 or $7.99, I believe. Look how beautiful it is. It smells real, and I have a fake tree, so it's nice to have some real little bits of greenery throughout the house to give me that smell of when I'm walking by, but I just love it. Ugh. Okay, and then I also got, ignore the center of this wreath, but I also got this wreath for $9.99 at Trader Joe's. Look how cute it is. It smells amazing. Again, what a bargain. So if you go to Trader Joe's, definitely check this out because my total bill was $19, I think $29, and I'm pretty stoked about it. So then in my Christmas decor tour, you'll see where I end up putting this and how I decorate my garland on top of my fireplace. I have a lot more things that I want to do. I just have to wait a few days to make sure that they come in on time, and also I have to go pick a few things up. So decorating is not complete yet. I still have a lot to do, so you'll definitely see that in the next video. We spend a lot of time sitting on the couch and watching Christmas movies, so I just want to make sure that it's cozy and festive. I could buy so many different pillows and blankets for Christmas. There's just so many cute things. But yeah, I'm pretty tired from all the decorating, cleaning, so I'm gonna relax. I took off all of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love decorating for Christmas. It just makes me so happy. Like my heart feels so full of joy and just excitement for the rest of these upcoming weeks. I really feel like the journey to Christmas is what I love the most. I mean, I love Christmas Day, but I just love getting in the spirit and just the lead up to it. So I am definitely gonna do that video probably on Friday or Saturday, so stay tuned so you can see everything and how it's come together and what it looks like in full instead of just bits and pieces and me cleaning and decorating everything. I hope you guys like this little dose of Christmas. There is so much more to come, so please, please, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave comments if you have anything to say. Like this video if you want to see more videos like this. I love making these videos. And thanks for keeping up with me. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!